In this video, we will show you how to replace your hood spring. On this Chevy Tahoe, you'll have one of these located on each side of your hood. Let's get into it. All right, friends, let's get started on our job. Go ahead and pop the hood and use something to hold it in the upright position. All right, let's make our way over to where the hood spring connects to the hood bracket. On this, you'll find that you have a 13mm headed bolt that comes through, and you have a 13mm nut on the outboard side. Let's remove this. Now that we have that top bolt out of there, let's continue on with removing our 13mm lower bolt. There it is, friends. Let's get ready for the installation of our brand new hood spring. You want to make sure you have it in the proper orientation, with this area facing down. We'll get this aligned in the proper position. Start in our mounting bolt. Now let's snug it up. Make sure that's nice and tight, and make sure this can still pivot. Now it's time to reconnect our hood spring. We'll take this and put it in position. Put your mounting bolt through. Just press that right into position. Start on your mounting nut and snug it up. All right, at this point, go ahead and slowly close the hood. Make sure it aligns properly. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.